Hello class, this is my website for the final project of Web Bootcamp 2. And let me introduce you the website. It has a very simple structure. The homepage, works page where all my projects are presented, and about page is a kind of blog page and the contact page. So this is the home page. I have a menu, a fixed menu, like when you scroll down, it will always be on the top, so you can always easily find the navigation bar. And I use the WordPress theme of Peach. Let's look at the original Peach theme. This is the original demo. And this is the home page. So it has a top navigation bar, logo, and this menu is quite different from mine. It has slider, feature part, demo, projects, blog, and clients. So you can find that my homepage now is quite different from this one. So let's see my code to find out what I have changed. Firstly, in the header, because I don't want two menus in my website, so I comment the general top bar menu, and keep the main menu. And to give the main menu style, I changed some of the CSS, like to give it a fixed position and some colors, background colors, and other things, and move the search form with the main menu. And most of my change is the home in the home page. So I copy the home from parent theme of the page and comment almost all of the content in the original one, and added my two part. Like this one is lines of self introduction and I frame of the timeline. And in the footer, I just added social media icons and links, and didn't change other part. So let's go to look at the works page. This is a works page where I present my project, and the original one is like this. So firstly, I change the margin between the different projects, like to enlarge it, to give it more space. Secondly, the original one, when you mouse over it, it will have the project title and the view project. And actually, you can't click the project image to enter the project detail. So in my website, I changed that part and display the project title under the thumbnail, and when I mouse over the image, I can directly click into the project details. So in my code, I change the root project file, and I comment the project view text part, and do other things in the CSS, like I make the project info visible and with opacity, so it like when you mouse over, you can see the project. The about page is a blog page. I didn't do much thing about this. Generally, I just enlarge the font to give a clearly look. And in the contact, it's just a simple contact form. So this is quite simple website. If I want to add more project, I just add a new. And now I have, you can see that I have 5 projects. And I download Jetpack because it has a lot of functions, and I really like that when you in your website it will give you a summary of all your website's activities. I think it's quite good. So that's all from my changes. Feedback welcome.